Welcome to another video. In this one I show you how you can open a zipper that is stuck, completely stuck, and it's very difficult to get it out. First thing you could try is use any tool, even a pen, to scratch around the key of the zipper. If it's this one is really corroded, badly corroded, and you could really try to scratch around it. This one didn't open. I kept trying to pull it, but if you pull too hard you could break the key. I tried even here to spray a bit of alcohol even. This is glycerin mixed with alcohol to try to loosen a bit. Didn't really do anything. And it helps to wiggle the key a little bit of the zipper. And putting the pen under the key and also in this opening on the edge, trying to push it back, it didn't work. Screwdriver time.
Vaseline Spray, WD-40, throw at everything.
The Vaseline Spray and WD-40 would work better if you let it sit for a few hours, but I was a bit impatient here.
It's really corroded on the edges here. It won't move. WD-40.
You can be generous with the WD-40, you can spray a few times, but here the vapors of WD-40 was going in the air.
Looks like this thing goes on my lens now. Already something broke. Corrosion. Vaseline spray.
The Vaseline spray is more thick and it doesn't go into the crevices as the WD-40, but if this is what you have, you should really use whatever you have. WD-40 would be working better, but you could use both. Just start with WD-40 so it goes deeper into the places that are stuck. And after using this, it's good to wiggle this zipper key a little bit left and right, up and down, and make sure you also spread this Vaseline spray and WD-40 on the whole length of the zipper. You could also use soap on the zipper to make it run smoothly. This is a quick life hack. Use soap on a zipper or any zipper, it will make it run much smoother. But that's before this step.
Try with a pen. Okay.
If the key won't open at all, you can remove the edges of the zipper from the place you have it sewed on, and you can even force the key out. You can actually, I could have tried to remove the key here without breaking it, but it's broken.
Really bad stuff here. Super corroded. Really, this wouldn't open. Would have been very difficult to open this thing. Really badly corroded. The zipper key here. This can be replaced. We get another one, but I will just use it as it is. I will not use this pocket anymore. And that's all.
At least I was able to remove the key and get the things out from this pocket.
Now it's easy to open it.
You could still use this pocket just without the zipper or replace the key. Thanks for watching, and let me know if this video helped you get a stuck zipper open and to get your stuff out of it.